eyes, gossamer wings, I sure do love the way you sing. It's your time to sing your song, a million friends will sing along. Oh, cicada, what are you made of? Why have you stayed away so long? Oh, cicada, we'll see you later, but please don't stay away so long. 17 years underground, sucking sap and make no sound. Crawl on out, peel that shell, this bug needs a hug. You start to yell, cicada, what are you made of? Why have you stayed away so long? Oh, cicada, we'll see you later, but please don't stay away so long. Well, I have seen the recipes, stewed and fried and fricasseed, but when I think of you as a meal, it makes my stomach start to squeal. Cicada, what are you made of? Why have you stayed away so long? Oh, cicada, we'll see you later, but please don't stay away so long. You have your fun, lay eggs in a tree, and then you die. What more can there be? Well, that's my song, and it's been great. I'm bringing it back in 2038. Oh, cicada, what are you made of? Why have you stayed away so